Hi guys, this is the brand new 2021 Isuzu D-Max X-terrain with a bit more gear on it. So it's got the Peders GVM Plus body kit, so that includes those wheels and stacks of tread left in the tyres, and they have tyre shine on them, and then gloss black or matte black, bonnet protector, and standard flares. I think those wheels, I'd say they're 18 inch. It's got your snorkel and tow ball at the back, and that's basically it. So it's got your tonneau cover and your sail plane. This rolls in and out, this thing here. So the X-terrain has your flares, as you can see, your side steps. Under the bonnet is your 3-litre turbo diesel engine, which cranks out I think 140 kilowatts of power, and I'm unsure of the torque, but I'll put the full engine description in the description below. So it's got your black and gunmetal grey front end, as you can see. LED headlights, black and silver treatments in the headlights, LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera. So, side LED turn signals. It's got your darkest legal tint, bit of red there. It's got your rubber floor mats. So plenty of room in the back. USB plug here and rear air vents. Tie down hook for your takeaway. Black headliner. Flip down center armrest with 2 cup holders. Door pockets. I won't start it because it's in the showroom, so that's the body kit again. And it's got a lift kit too. So here's your tail lights, and it's a 4-wheel drive. Roof racks. I'll move to the insides now. So proximity keys. Car's unlocked. So at the moment the car's unlocked, and to lock it you press this button. Car's locked, and press this button again. Car's unlocked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-way electric driver's seat. We're in the showroom, so I won't start it. 2 decent sized cup holders, and that D's shaped like it. So that cup holder is shaped like a D for D-Max. So, hard plastics here not only feel good and look premium, these are really hard, but these are the plastics that not only feel good but look premium. Your storage here, and watch this. Opens good. 6-speed automatic transmission. Button start. It has your safety alerts, which I'll link in the description below. Build quality is good. It shakes a little bit. It's got your electric power steering. leather steering wheel with your white stitching, brushed aluminium here, your adaptive cruise control. It's also got blind spot alerts and lane departure warning for collision alert with head up warning and stuff like that. Kilometers, it doesn't say. Since 19 kilometers. So it's got your automatic headlights and wipers. It's got LED headlights, which I'll show you at the end of the video. It's got airbags galore. So, auto wipers as well, which I think I've mentioned already. So, infotainment system. Show you the sound system. It's a bit choppy. Well, it is hard to explain, so it's not choppy. So I'll leave the sound system and continue on. You can go map. So you can also key in a destination and you can zoom in and out. You can go AM, FM radio. It's got DAB radio as well. Let's try voice control.
Please say a command after the beep tone.
Destination.
The voice is too loud. Please try again.
Destination.
Please try again.
I'll leave it.
Exit.
So you can search. I'll show you an example with an Isuzu dealership.
Starting route now.
So it tells you how long it'll take me to get there and how many kilometers and what time I'll get there by.
Please proceed to the highlighted road, then the route guidance will start. Please say a command after the beep tone.
Cancel route.
Exit voice assist now.
Don't know what it's doing. Route delete, yes. Traffic, all these aren't available. So route overview, route edit, track log display and load route. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay as well and Android also. Turning it off now before I kill the battery. This interior feels European in texture. It's got your dual zone electronic climate control, 6-speed auto transmission, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. So 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and 4-wheel drive low. It's got piano black finish in here too. Diff lock, hill descent control. You can turn your rear parking sensors off. White stitching and leather gear boost as well. Leather handbrake boost as well. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Mirrors fold in. That's it, as you can see. So stops people from bumping them in the shops. Automatic driver side window. It's got airbags galore. No vanity mirror, so not good if your passenger is doing her lipstick. Overhead console, map reading lights. It's got live surround sound as well. Door pockets. Good look at the seats trim. So it's got your perforated leather seats, as you can see, and white stitching, and it's very comfortable. So this is Jordan's car reviews, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell and please also like and share the video, and goodbye.